It's finally spring and I'm so excited. We have some beautiful paper I'm going to show you today that I ordered from Echo Park during their warehouse sale. This is not a sponsored video, and I wanted to share it because we have Easter coming up. We have all kinds of flowers. Hopefully it's going to start blooming pretty soon. So let me get to showing you these. This is Echo Park's My Favorite Spring. I picked this up, I believe it's $7.99. It's always like half price. So $7-8 is what I got this one for. Let me just make room over here so I'm not throwing everything around. So here's the first paper. And it's got butterflies all over it. It's just, I mean, it screams. It screams spring. The colors are gorgeous. And then the back side is the journaling cards. And there's two of them. And, I mean, come on. Who wouldn't love having flowers like this in their yard? The colors are great. And then it's got the polka dots on the back. I mean, look how beautiful that's going to make a layout. That is just... Okay, we have some more journaling cards, and on the back we have umbrellas. I just thought of, you know, when you're looking at paper and you think of pictures, I have a picture of my grandson when he was probably 2, maybe 3. He has an umbrella outside playing in the rain. So, and I just recently got all my pictures organized, digital and printed. Everything's printed, so I'm super excited about that. So we have bees on this one. And on the, oh, look at the back of that one. That is really pretty. First, we get 2 of them. And then here's some more cards. I must have flowers always and always and always. I saw a funny thing on Facebook, I think it was, that about plants, and somebody's trying to drag this lady away from these plants because you have plants, and she's like, but I don't have these plants. It's kind of like, I don't have this paper or this paper. And here's just some nice simple blue flowers. Oh, this is cute. It's pink. What's it called? Buffalo check or something? I never know what they're called. But... Oh, look. That's pretty. How pretty is that going to make a layout? Yep, that's going to be pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I stopped and when you see me, hear me pause, because I'm sitting here trying to figure out what picture I want to put with it. I get these squirrel moment things going on, and here we have the stickers. Look at this duck. Look at this duck. And these little flowers. Oh, I like the flags there. Oh, look at the little ladybug. You could hide little bugs on your page, and then tell your kids or your grandkids to search for the bug. I used to do that when my kids were little. They always had fun doing it. And then we have a bunch of those little signs down here. So that's that kit. And then we have It's Springtime. This is another Echo Park Paper Company. And have you noticed up here how you can see how they almost paired paper together? And you can see what's going to actually look good together. Like, I don't know why I didn't notice that before, but I noticed it like a few months ago. Okay, again, I swirled. So here's this one. On the back we have this. This one, you know, daisies and lavender, daffodils. You know what you could do is you could actually cut a strip of this off, and then even if you just hid, let me show you, like this, and made an embellishing strip on your paper where these flowers are sticking up the top or something. I might have to try that. It could be fun. Oh, look at the colors in this paper. It's got bees and ladybugs and butterflies. And we've got journaling cards on the back. This one's cool. That may be a little much for those two to go together. This has got some pink and blue, the grayish green color in there, and some yellow. And we have purple on the back. That's how pretty this looks together. I wonder. Yeah, definitely like that one. Anyway, jump into the next page here. There's a bunch of flowers. The colors are gorgeous in there. And on the back we have this. This one's called Blissful Branches. And we have some journaling cards on this side. And on this side we have some small flowers. And this one we have, I guess it's supposed to be bee houses because we've got a bunch of bees. And some flowers. And on the back we have just a bunch of the bees. I like the fact this is more like a pattern with these bees as opposed to have just a bunch of bees flying around. That could be cool to play with. Oh, and I don't know if you can see in there. It's got the little marks in there like the bees, the way they're flying. Ooh, hello. Look at how pretty this paper is. Got birds sitting on a branch and the flowers. Oh, little butterflies in there, and there's a little bee. That is super cute. And on the back we have this. It's pink. Look how pretty that would be. Yep. Definitely gonna have to play. We got some journaling cards on this one. And we have this on the back, some more flowers. Different flowers, but kind of the same colors, but that way they coordinate with everything. And then we have this kind of a peachy pink color. This one's called Happy Gardens. Oh, how fun. Look at the gnomes. The gnomes are adorable. Ooh. Aren't you a pretty piece of paper? Oh, wow. This is called Pretty Picks. Look how pretty that would be. I got lots of scrapbooking to be doing. I redone my room. I fixed all my pictures. Now it's time to just get down to business. So next week, hopefully I'll be able to do all that. I'm putting up kits up that I've ordered. The back of this is almost like a centerpiece, a center of a flower almost. And then we had seeds. You could actually cut these down and make individual embellishments or something out of it. On the back we have the blue. And then we have the stickers. There's this little bird. And the gardening tools. No, that looks more like an outhouse. That's cute. And then, of course, Easter's coming up, so we need some Easter paper. So I just got this in yesterday. I already had the kit, but this came in yesterday in a mystery box. And it's all about, these little Easter chipboard things. And it goes with this paper here. So this one's Welcome Spring, and Welcome Easter. My brain's stuck on Easter mode. Spring mode. Okay, so let's get into this and see what we have. So this one's called Painted Eggs. And this is like a greenish teal almost, I guess. And then we have these fun Easter eggs on the back. Eggs are not going to be cheap to be decorating and stuff this year. My daughter said she's going to dye marshmallows. I guess you can dye marshmallows. So she's going to be doing that because the kids don't really eat the eggs that much anyway. We have some more journaling cards. Follow the bunny. He has all the chocolates. Get that bunny! And then we have these little simple flowers. And then we have the Easter basket and eggs, and chickens, bunnies and lambs. How sweet is this? This would be a great one for like first Easter. And on the back we have the fun plaid. And then we have pastel. A pied, I guess that's what this one's called. This is pink and white. Oh, look how fun those colors are. Look how cute that would be. Yep, I gotta finish cleaning up everything so I can get my, this is a yellow, like a plaid almost, so I can get to doing some of my scrapbooking done. Here comes Peter Cottontail. Time for an Easter egg hunt. Happy Easter. That truck is just everywhere, but it's adorable. I'm glad they're doing it more than just for fall, Christmas, and that kind of thing. You're one cool peep. That would be cute on a lamp. And this has got carrots on the back. Then we have a pink stripe. This one's called Buddy Fields. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Where's that other paper at? I want to see. Oh my gosh. There's so many paper this would look good with. How adorable is this going to be? Oh my. Okay. All right. I'll quit playing. All right. So then we have this green on the back. Oh, look at the flowers. Doesn't that yell spring? I have some baseball paper. I have some summer paper, that kind of stuff I'm going to be showing you guys. I've been ordering these because now I know what kind of kits I need. So I'm going to order this, and if there's a certain kit you want to know if I have, show you, let me know. I'd be more than happy to check it out, see if I have it, and show it to you. This might be one of my favorite papers in this thing. It's got these little baskets of eggs, and it's got this little bunny sticking out of it. And the colors are just beautiful. Little flowers and stuff around. That's adorable. And it's got purple on the back. I know my colors. I just can't spit them out my mouth. Got some journaling cards. On the back is just some leaves. Look at this. Look how cute. Oh, look, he's got a little bow tie on. Look at that one. It's got a little bow tie on. Look at this. Ah! That's cute. This one looks like he's going, ta-da! Oh, this one's got a little pink bow tie on. It's got little eggs hidden around in there. That is just adorable. And then we have the bunnies on the back. Bunnies on parade. This is a nice orange. Oh, fun. God, I love the colors for spring. And here's our stickers. That's cute. I kind of want one of those little chickens with a bow tie. There's one in here, but I wish they had a big one with a bow tie. I may have to make myself a little chicken with a bow tie on, because now that's just too cute. And then, this is something that I'm putting with this, with my Easter kit and my spring kits. This is checkerboard. This is something I got in a mini kit from Echo Park. And these are just, well, they're got this on one side, but I'm putting it in here because of the colors in it play really well with the spring colors. So we have the green, and there's two of each. So one side is this, one side is that. And then we have this like orange color. Look how well that pairs with this. And of course on the back is the checkers. And then we have a yellow. And again, same back the checkers on the back side of it. And we have this purple. But look how pretty that plays well together. So it's almost like it was meant to be together. They weren't, but. And then we have this light pink color. So I'm going to be using this with my spring kit. And then there's a light blue. And I love how no matter what color you put with this, if you put the blue up there, you're going to see more of the blue, depending on what color you want to bring out of your pictures. And if you put the pink with it, the pink is going to be the first thing that, pops out. If you put the green with it, you see more of the leaves. Let's see, if you put the yellow with it, or the orange rather, the orange, and the yellows pop out. So guys, that's the end of this kit. I'm going to start putting some kits together and getting ready to do some scrapbooking. I will let you know if there's any sales going on, so hit that alert button. And if I get new kits in, I'll let you know. I'm always buying new kits, but I'm using them. So to me, as long as I'm paying $8 for a kit, comes with the embellishments, comes with 12 by 12 pieces of paper, which averages about 62 cents a piece or something like that. As long as I'm doing that and I'm using them, then it's not a waste. So that's one of the reasons I didn't know what paper. I can't go out shopping and find paper anymore. You can't just go down to Hobby Lobby or Target or Walmart or a place like that and find good paper that matches your pictures. So when I find sales, then I order them. I also keep an eye on scrapbook.com, Scrapbooking for Less, and Cherry on Top, different places that I keep an eye on. So if I find any good sales, I will let you guys know, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, everybody.